Or you need a security system. But can I get it? How can I solve these problems? Buy, support, installation. We are the best security system supplier in Philippines. Automation and Security Incorporated. ASI, defined services, knowledgeable, cost-effective installation, maintenance, repair or replacement. ASI, defined services are we supply, we install, we support. ASI provides smart solution for security and automation all over the Philippines. And more than that, ASI will help you. After sales service, supply, installation service. Our installation services. We support 24/7. Search us at www.asi.com.ph. Mail us at info@asi.com.ph. For more information, contact us. So what are you waiting for? Contact ASI for your smart solution.